Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nasrijaz and welcome to my channel Frog Tech. Today in this tutorial, I will tell you about something about arrays, simple arrays, multi-dimensional arrays, multiple associative array. These are the some types of the array in the PHP. So without wasting our time, we discussed our topic. First of all, I will tell you about simple array in the PHP. In the PHP give us an keyword array. Give us an keyword array, and in these braces we write our values, our data at 0 index, 1 index, as because the data is stored in the array at different indexes. So that's why I use the variable core, and then the PHP built-in function array, where I write the Volvo, BMW and Toyota. After that I echo that I like at 0 index. I equal the 0 index, 1 index, and 2 index. These are simple array in PHP. Now we go to our browser and watch it how it show us the data. Refresh this, so it show me the data. I like Volvo, BMW, and Toyota. Volvo at 0 index, BMW at 1 index, and Toyota at 2 index. This is the simple array, and now we have go to our associative array. The array with the its key name, it's called an associative array. As we store the in simple array, our data is stored at different indexes, 0 indexes, 1 indexes, 2 indexes. But in this, we store our data with our own keys name. Like in simple array, we store the 2 at 0 index, but here we store the 2 at index h. Similarly, h, w, and q. We means to say we use our own words and keys to store the data in array. So for that's and if we want to, and its syntax is that if we want to write associative array double quotes q, and q is that anything you want to, we also write here any string and that you want equal to, and that is, sorry, equal to and to, that is the operator. Equal and greater than is the operator that are used to assign the value to our key. For this, we use the for each loop, because for each loop read the data from our array, and dollar sign md, that is our variable, take it as dollar sign key, where key, what is the, that is our key h, and uh, from where we take the value. And after that echo dollar sign key, what is the key, these are h, w, and q are our keys, and is equal to dollar sign value. Now go to our browser and we check it. Right here, file name, associative array. I think so that it is. No, here it is. Sorry, show me that h is equal to 2, w is equal to 3, and q is equal to 6. Okay. Now we have go to our multi-dimensional array. That is our multi-dimensional array. And in the multi-dimensional array, the definition of the multi-dimensional array is that the array within the array, or the array contain two or one or two or more array, is called multi-dimensional array. So here is that is our main array, that bracket, and if I, and these yellow brackets are our main array bracket, and these are our new arrays, array 1 and separated by the comma, array 2, and that is array 3. That's why it's called that uh, multi-dimensional array. Here I write the echo, and where I make a table, take a table, and use the for each loop. And similarly, $md my variable name, $sign wall. Why the wall? Because I want to take these values, and echo tr row, table row. And after that, I use the for each loop, where $sign wall as $sign key, and $sign wall. $sign wall is actually the value, and as key we want its key, and we equate dollar sign key. Here we use the nested for each loop within the loop. Why we use the nested for loop? Because these are multi-dimensional array within the array. And as if we go to our associative array, here we use the simple for each loop. Why we use simple for each loop? Because here we have only one array, but now we have multi-dimensional array within the array. That's why we use the nested for each loop used two times. And after this we equal the table. Now go to our browser and check it. Multi-dimensional multi-array. This is our the data show in our table. Hello world 1 to and these are our data. Now we go to our new array, that is the multi-dimensional associative array. Means that here are the array within the array, but these are not stored on the indexes. These are stored on the keys that we give instead of the indexes. For example, h, md, any string that you want. Just like these are our mm, just wait. Oh, sorry. Yellow brackets are our the main brackets, and MUD, that is our associative array or the key where we want to assign the array value, and that is the array that we assign on the index MUD. Similarly, at IJAZ, we assign the an array on this, and these are the multi-dimensional array as we you all of see easily that we also use the associative array in the arrays. Now we have to create a format table and use the for each loop. For each loop, that is the for each loop, and I already tell you that when we use the one array, we use only one time for each loop. But if we have array within the array, then we must use the for each loop two times, or we also use the as condition in one for loop two times. And that is the for each loop, and dollar sign $md our variable as dollar sign key equal greater than value. And here we show that echo the dollar sign key. Dollar sign key, actually these are the values. These are the values, our indexes value. And now we use the nested for each loop again, and we take the values as value 2. Means that these hello, actually the dollar sign wall, and v2 is our its value, and we echo our dollar sign v2. Now go to the browser and check it. Multi-dimensional associative array. Here it is. First of all, we have the index MUD and IJZ, and that these are their values. These are our simple array discussion. And when you go to your bigger projects, then their work differ with their times, and we use in different ways for our specific work. That's why these are the simple concept to use the arrays. And thank you so much for watching my video, and Allah Hafiz.